Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Cheyenne. Welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. So yes, I love it. Link her channel down below, so you can go check out Tati. She is under the name Glam Life Guru. So she did launch her beauty brand back on October 25th, and then she also has a vitamins line that's for skin, hair, and nails, stuff like that. So yeah, be sure to go check her out. But if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. All right, guys, so here is the palette that we are going to be using today. My fingerprints are already on it because, you know, obviously I had to take it out of the box. But this is the little sleeve that it comes in, and then you slide it out, and you have the palette itself. All right, and this, like I said, this is the Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette from Tati Beauty. So we're just gonna open it up here, and then of course you have like a big mirror right here, which is awesome. I haven't taken the plastic off of it yet, but I will. And then here are all of the shades, of course. This is a 28 pan palette, and it retails for $48. So these shades are just so pretty, and I feel like $48 isn't too bad for this palette. You do get quite a few shades. But Tati Westbrook just launched her beauty line, Tati Beauty, and her makeup is cruelty free and vegan as well, it says. So that is awesome, and it is made in California, I believe. So what's pretty cool about her eyeshadow palette, which I've never seen a palette set up like this before, but all of these are the same shades, like going down. It's just different like textures, sorry. So right here we have the shade Memory. That's the first one, and then the bottom row is like all the mattes. This row right here is the sequin shades. This is the metallic shades going all the way across, and then of course this is your glitter shades going across as well. So I will definitely swatch each row going down, like each shade name. So just real quick here, like I said, this is the shade Memory, this is Ritual, this is right here, this is Story, this is Soothe, you have Aura, and then you have Poet right here. And I really love all these shades, but the colors I'm really looking for is Poet and Ritual and Story. Like, those are my three favorites right here. So I am gonna go ahead, like I said, I'm gonna swatch each row and show you them. I am gonna, since this is Tati's brand, I'm gonna do the swatches how she does, which is like down her arm here, so we can see here. So now I'm gonna swatch the Memory shades here, and these eyeshadows feel amazing. Like, they feel so good. So here's the matte shade, like, oh my god, look at that. And then this is the sequin shade, yeah. And then we have the metallic, oh, look at that. And then you have the glitter. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yes. So like I said, this is the shade Memory. I wiped that off with a makeup wipe, and look, it came off so nice. Okay, so the next row of shades is Ritual. So we're gonna swatch these. So here's the matte. Look at that. Here's the sequin shade. Here's the metallic. I didn't really rub it that good. There we go. There's the metallic, and then here is the glitter shade. Like, oh, yes, honey. Tati came through. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch arms for a minute here. So the next shades is Story. So we're gonna swatch these. So here's the matte shade. Here's the sequin shade. Like, here's the metallic. Sorry, y'all, my dog's barking for some reason. And then here is the glitter shade. Like, oh, look at that. All right, so now I'm doing the shade Soothe. So here is the matte shade. Kind of dark. So let me try to deepen it up here. There we go. There's the shade Soothe. That's the matte shade, sorry. This is the sequence shade. This is the metallic shade. And then this is the glitter shade. Look at that. Yes, honey, yes. So next, I'm gonna swatch the shade Aura here. So here is the matte shade. Here is the sequin shade. Here is the metallic shade. Oh my God, like, oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, and then here's the glitter shade. Like, yes. So now the last shade is Poet. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Here is the matte shade. Like, oh, yes. Here is the sequin shade. The metallic. That is pretty. I'm not the best swatcher, y'all, so there we go. That's better. And then here is the glitter shade. Like, yes. Holy moly, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer here. Alright, so I have my eyes primed here, so we're gonna go ahead and dip into the palette here. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush here. And the first shade I'm gonna dip into is gonna be the Soothe Matte shade. So I'm just gonna put this in to the crease here. I got the Soothe shade laid down. Like, it's really pretty. Like, I like it. Like, you can't see it that well on me, but it's a really nice transition shade. Right, so next I think I'm going to go in with the shade Story with the matte one here. And pop that in my crease as well. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Story again, but I'm gonna dip into that sequin shade right here. I'm just gonna focus this like on the inside of my eye here. for that, I used my Sigma E55 eye shading brush right here. So now I'm gonna go in with this little Moda brush right here. Don't have a name, just says Moda. And I'm gonna dip into the shade Ritual, into the sequin shade here, and place this on the outer corner of my eye. There is some fallout, which I don't mind fallout. I mean, I feel like most palettes have it, but this palette is performing really, really well so far, so. I am gonna like go and blend this out though. I'm just gonna go back into my Sigma E40 brush and kind of this is coming together beautifully. So I went ahead and sprayed my brush with the Makeup Obsession Dewy Fix Setting Spray here. Because now I'm going to dip into one of the metallic shades here. So I'm going to go in with the metallic shade in Story right here. And put that on my lid. Oh my god, that is so freaking beautiful, guys. Like, oh my lord. Yes. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, I'm just gonna go in and blend the metallic into the matte here. Alright, so now I definitely want to go into one of the glitters here. I'm going to go into the glitter in the shade Poet right here. I'm just going to use my finger for that. Because for glitters, your finger works the best. So we're just going to pop this over top of where we laid down the metallic shade. Like, oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Yes. Alright, look at that. Now I have glitter all over my face. I probably shouldn't have done my eye makeup, but oh well. But this is so pretty. Like, oh my god. Oh, I love this palette. Like, this is gonna be my new everyday palette. Like, it really is. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go pop my lashes on off camera and some eyeliner on my top lids. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my lashes on. Instead of eyeliner, I just used the black shade in the palette here to line my top lids here, so you can see the black going across there. I'm not the best at putting on lashes, so if they look kind of wonky, I'm sorry. It took me a little bit to get them on, but I got them on and they look good. So now we're just gonna go ahead and finish out the eyes here. Go ahead and blow out or smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E40 pencil brush right here. My hands are dirty with makeup, but hey, I mean, these hands don't get dirty. Sorry about my nails. I need to get them done. Just haven't had time. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with to smoke out the lash line here is the Ritual matte shade, and I'm gonna go in with the Story matte shade. So now I'm gonna smoke, use the Story shade on me. Alright, so I got the lower lash done, so now I'm just going to go in and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to use this little brush right here. I think it's a little Luxie brush. Yeah, it says Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush here. I think I'm going to go into the shade Aura. I'm going to use the metallic Aura shade right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm going to use the Jante Blue Dark Natural 935 lip liner pencil here. So now I'm going to go in and put lipstick on. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Bow and Arrow. Alright guys, so this completes the look for this video. Like I said, I'm sorry they're cutting grass right now. So freaking rude. But like I said, this completes the look for this video today. Like I said, I'm loving the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. Like, it is so freaking bomb. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Like I said, this is gonna be my everyday new holy grail. Love it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video today and hanging out with me. I hope you like this look I created with the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family and hang out with me every time I post a video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it and like the look I created. And leave a comment down below on if you like this look. And you know, if you bought this palette and if you love it, and if you hate it, just let me know. And if you don't know who Tati Westbrook is, you can find her over on her channel. It's Glam Life Guru. And I really do love Tati. Like, I've never met her. I'd love to meet her, but I just feel like she's just so down to earth, and like she just feels so motherly. It's like, I want you to be my mom. Come be my mom. So Tati, if you watch this, I love you. Congratulations on your palette. It is so beautiful. I will be using this every day. You are just such a lovely, lovely person. You all have a good day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.